Runasimi has a recording studio where Quechua leaders produce radio programs, Christian music, and other materials in Quechua. Runasimi leaders give training in audio and video production and its use in promoting the Quechua Bible. This is very important in the Quechua society, where there is a strong oral tradition. Samuel, Runasimi's president, heads up training for scripture in use, radio programming, and audio and video editing for preparation of radio programs in the Quechua language. Nemesio, Donnie, Pablo, and others have been trained as trainers and as technicians to go out and train others in the many different dialects of Quechua throughout Peru. Alfredo spearheads the Faith Cometh by Hearing program, sponsored by Hosanna Ministries. Alfredo travels to camp meetings and pastor conferences in the mountain communities to distribute the Quechua Bible on tape and to show the Jesus film in Quechua. Many have given their lives to the Lord as a result of this ministry. There are now 5 additional Quechua leaders helping Alfredo in order to reach the thousands of church groups in the provinces of Ayacucho, Huancavelica, Andahuaylas, Abancay, and Cusco.